One day off home. What do you do? Wake up at 6 a.m. Leave at 8 a.m. for tutoring. Or leave at school at 8 a.m. to study English. Start science at 9 a.m. Start math at 10 a.m. Finish starting at 11 a.m. Go to school to continuing filming. Take a break at 14 p.m. Control filming at 15 p.m. Go to ใช้แสง at 15 p.m. Finishes singing at 4 p.m. Went back home to Suphanburi at 8 p.m. Went to bed. Good night. Thank you for watching.